So you have drawn something using CAD. After drawing it, you have to export it in a PLT format. Afterwards, you have to copy this file inside the folder iiwa CNC Blatter that you can find inside the KUKA Sunrise Toolbox folder. Then you have to open MATLAB. First of all, you have to verify the PLT file that you are going to perform using KUKA iiwa. To verify it, I have created this MATLAB script here. Its name is plot PLT in a graph. So, if you have a different file, you have to put its name inside the variable file name. Then afterwards, you can play with the scale of the drawing and the displacement using those four variables: scale x, scale y, disp y, and disp x. Afterwards, to verify the drawing, click Run. And here you see that the drawing is okay. That means you can use KUKA iiwa to plot it. Now, one thing to note, you have to tune the scale in order to get the scale that you want. For example, here I need the word KST to be drawn in a box which is around 10 centimeters. Here is 10 by 12. So I change the scale in order to get 10 by 12 dimensions of the box. Then you have to play with this x, the displacement, in x and y in order to put this corner in the 0, 0 position. So this is the idea. This corner shall be in the 0, 0 position. Otherwise, the robot is not going to be able to go outside of its working place. So make sure that the corner is 0, 0 and that the length of the box is inside the work limit, the workspace of the KUKA iiwa robot.